Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is Sadia Nasim, your botany teacher from Bahia Foundation College, Nashirov Road. Students, today we are going to discuss about the lipids. In my previous chapters, I have told you about biological molecules. In biological molecules, we read the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the compounds of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So now let's define the lipids. Lipids are very important group of the biological molecule. Bloor defined lipids in 1943. What was the definition of Bloor? He said those compounds which are insoluble in water, are known as lipid. Water insoluble compounds of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are known as lipids. Now question arises, lipids contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrates also contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. What is the difference between the both? The major difference between lipid and carbohydrate is that the content of oxygen in lipid is much less as compared to the कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. यानी कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के कंपेरेटिवली लिपिड के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा कम ऑक्सीजन होती है. लिपिड्स को हम लोग 4 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. कौन कौन से हैं 4 ग्रुप्स? लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एसाइल ग्लिसरॉल. एसाइल ग्लिसरॉल. इसके फर्दर 2 ग्रुप्स हैं फैट्स एंड ऑयल्स. सेकेंड इज द वैक्सेस. व्हाट इज सेकेंड ग्रुप? वैक्सेस. थर्ड ग्रुप इज फॉस्फोलिपिड्स. थर्ड ग्रुप इज phospholipids. And fourth one is the terpenoids. Acyl glycerols, waxes, phospholipids and terpenoids. These are the 4 groups of the lipids. Today we are going to discuss the first one, which is acyl glycerol, fats and oils. Acyl glycerol, it is the found both in animal and plants. Where acyl glycerol is found? Both in animals and plants. It can be found both in animal and fats can be found in animals and oils are found in the plants. They provide energy. They are rich source of energy. They enhance the metabolic activities of living things. They provide much energy rather than other biological molecules. Acyl glycerol consists of glycerol molecule linked to the 3 fatty acid. One glycerol molecule which is linked with to 3 fatty acid. Acyl glycerol is one glycerol molecule which is linked with the how many fatty acids? 3 fatty acids. 2 main types of the acyl glycerol are fats and oil. Fats are the solid or semi-solid on room temperature and oils are liquid on the room temperature. Okay, fats are the lipids which we gain from animals like butter, cheese. Liquids are those lipids which we gain from plants like oils. We gain most of the oils from the plants. Okay, for example coconut oil, mustard oil. So what is the difference between fat and oil? Fat is a saturated acyl glycerol. Fat is a saturated acyl glycerol, while the oils are unsaturated acyl glycerol. Okay, unsaturated acyl glycerol. The fats contain saturated fatty acids. They do not contain any double bond. Saturated are those compounds which do not contain any double or triple bond in themselves. All bonds are the single bonds. While the unsaturated glycerols are those glycerol which may contain double or triple covalent bond. Okay, so fats and oils can be interconverted. Fats can be converted into oils easily. This was the some introduction about the lipids and the acyl glycerol. Your homework is you have to make the notes of the same topic in your own words. I am waiting for your homework, and remaining 3 groups we will discuss in our next lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.